Hold up. We've been teaching you guys how to tune your cars for how long? And you don't know what? Aw, shit. Besides safety, this is the most important thing that you need to know about tuning cars. The ECU needs to be reset after any change to the engine. We're talking intake, exhaust, anything that affects the airflow and performance of the car, the ECU needs to be reset. Step number one, you're gonna wanna jot down all your favorite radio stations because they're gonna get wiped out just like all the rest of the stupid codes. Step number two, you're gonna need a ratchet and a 10mm socket. All I've done so far is remove the plastic battery cover. Next, you just want to take your 10mm ratchet, disconnect the negative terminal for 30 seconds to 3 minutes. I've heard 30 seconds, I've heard 7 seconds, honestly. The purpose is just to drain the power for the ECU. Resetting it. Final step, just reconnect your battery. Yep, so thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of Mill's Garage. That's how to reset your ECU. And if you made it this far, guess what? You liked the video, so make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure you subscribe and share with all of your friends. And we've got decals, 50% off, available at zturnerdesigns.com/shop. We also have the t-shirts available there, now discounted to $20 a piece. What? That's a steal. I'm gonna get 3 more myself. What?
Thanks for watching this episode of Mill's Garage. Make sure to like and comment below and share the video, and we'll see you next time.